Let's have a look at Loudvan's Roadknight cabinets. Here we have the full assembly of the Roadknight. It consists of a larder, a sink cabinet and a fridge cabinet. Start with the larder cabinet. Huge amount of storage in here, 3 shelves, and a pull-out larder, and above a space you can use a small butane stove, and another option for that is here. Fold down flap in the doorway. Underneath the fold down flap there's a bottle caddy, a magazine rack. And then moving inside, we've got the sink cabinet, which comes with the sink. You can choose your own option of tap. Sink cabinet has 1 fixed shelf and 2 adjustable shelves. And it also has provision for a 25-litre water tank. Inside there, the waste pipe exits directly down through the floor of the van. All of our cabinets have self-close hinges and quality German push-push catches. And the fridge cabinet has provision for a Waco CX50 fridge. There are 2 drawers, one's full depth, one's 2/3 depth. Behind the top drawer is provision for your power board, USB chargers, 240 volt, whatever you want to put in there. So a compact kitchen pod, suitable for people who have a full width rock and roll bed. There you have it, the Roadknight.